Okay, so you just logged into your Linux server for the first time. Now, how do you know it's actually online and healthy? In this video, I'll show you a few quick commands to check the IP address, internet connection, uptime, disk space, and memory. What we first want to do is get our IP address right off the bat. We're going to go hostname-i. Press enter, and you got your IP address right there. Now that we have our IP address, we're going to ping Google to make sure that we're connected to the internet. So we're going to ping, and I just like the quad 8 server personally. 8.8.8.8. Press enter. We're getting pings from there. Now this will continue forever, so you're going to press Control-C to close that. Next, we want to see how much uptime the server has. So we're going to go with uptime. Press enter. It's been up for 19 minutes. 2 users. And there's pretty much nothing going on here. Since we just installed it, we should have enough disk space, but let's just go ahead and check that. We're going to go with df-h, press enter, and that tells us how much we have. This one checks the disk space in a human readable format. Since we're already looking at disk space, we're going to go free-h. This checks the memory and sees how much memory is free. I hope everybody likes the new audio settings because I changed it, and hopefully you can actually hear me this time. So follow for more.